The Fisherman's Grey Wife by Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. Long, long ago, in the days of witches and fairies, spells and wishes being granted, lived a poor fisherman with his wife in a small hut close to the sea. The fisherman worked hard at sea all day long but generally never caught any fish. They spent their days in poverty. One day the fisherman felt a tug at his net and pulled it into his boat. He was overjoyed at the sight of a very large fish. As he took the fish out of the net, the fish spoke. "Please don't kill me. I'm enchanted, prince. I can help you with whatever you want." The fisherman let the fish go into the sea and went home empty-handed. As usual, his wife yelled at him and could not stop her flow of angry words till he told her about the fish. She again yelled at him, saying, "You foolish man, knowing our poor condition, you should have asked the fish for help. Now go back to the same spot and say to the fish, 'Change our tiny house into a fine cottage.'" So the next day he went back to the sea and called out to the fish. The fish appeared almost at once. The fish said, "Go back home and you will find your wife sitting in a cottage." And it was as the fish said. They also had fat laying hens and a sack full of grain, but his wife was not satisfied. She kept behind him to go back to the fish to give them a castle. Weeks went by and even thought the fisherman was quite content with the cottage. His wife wanted more, so he went back to the fish, and the fish granted them a castle. The greedy wife now started forcing the fisherman to go back and ask to the fish for a palace and to make her the queen. He went again to the fish with his wife's request, and the fish said, "So be it." The fisherman went back to see a palace of the castle with sentries guarding the gate and his wife on the throne with a crown on her head. The greedy, foolish woman stood up when the fisherman said to her, "Are you content now?" She yelled, "No, I want to be the empress." The fisherman did not want to ask the fish for any more favors, but his wife threatened to have his head cut off, so he went back to the fish. The fish once again did what he asked, and she became the empress. The fisherman, on seeing his wife, now the empress, said, "You must be quite content now that you are the empress." To which she replied, "I am empress, no doubt, but I still cannot control the wind and the waves. Go tell the fish to make me equal to God." The fisherman trembled at his wife's word. He went to the sea hesitatingly and usurped wife's wish to the fish. On hearing his words, a firestorm arose, and the fish said, "Go home, and you will find your wife sitting in the old pigsty." The greedy woman got what she deserved. Okay, friends, this is the end of story. If you like the story, like and share this story to every your friends, and do comment please, and subscribe our channel.